Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name's Paige and this is Melly. I'm here, she's napping. This is like one of her favorite spots to be in our apartment. She likes anywhere that you sit down. She's like, this is my spot. Can you move? Or I'm going to sit higher than you so you know it's my chair. So that's what she's doing right now. We keep this blanket up here for her and there's like a pillow behind it so she doesn't fall because she just assumes everything is safe for her to walk in. So she and I went on a walk earlier, and we came back, and I had a package from Sephora and a package from Ulta. So I wanted to do some unboxing and see what I got. So my first video, I'm going to do the Sephora unboxing. Now this is a small package. It's more of a rewards haul because if you've been shopping at Sephora for a long time, you know how bad the rewards were for so long. It was like, here's $100 or 100-point reward, which is the equivalent of pretty much spending $100 there just to get these points to get a sample of something that they will give you for free in the store if you ask on most things. I mean, if you want a sample of mascara or something like that, I mean, 100 points fine. Sure, I'll try mascara, but whatever. The 500-point rewards, I've gotten a few over the years, but kind of roll my eyes at all of them. And I would say within the past year, they have definitely upped their reward game. And on Tuesdays and Thursdays, they have drop dates. So they upload new rewards. You can do rewards that are like, they still have like the smaller ones that are like the 100 to 500. But they also have, I guess it's 750 to like, I've seen like 10,000, 20,000 points. So there's so many options now, which thank you so much Sephora for realizing that people want to like use their reward points on things other than samples that you can probably get for free. So I bought one thing and then I got two rewards, and I'm going to show you what I bought first. So I got the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner in the shade Cause I'm Black. Now I have been using this Stila Stay All Day, I have it right here, Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Liner in Intense Black. I think this is super awesome. It's really easy to do wings with. I'm honestly not that great at them, but that helps me so much. And I was like, I've used a few of these, like, that's like, I think probably my third, and I like it a lot, but I just need to be trying new things as far as, like, eyeliners and stuff go. I've been using the same mascara, I think, for, like, years. So this is the packaging of this in this beautiful pin, and you take the cap off and you have the felt tip, which has a really pretty like tip on it, so I think that's gonna make a really good wing. Let's try this on me. Okay, that's really crooked, but that's fine. That is such a pretty color. Okay. So I'm not really happy with this right now because it is bleeding. I mean, that's like bleeding. Hopefully it doesn't do that on my eyes. I'm definitely still going to give it a try on my eyes. But that's like really bad. Like that is bleeding. That's like the worst thing in the world if an eyeliner bleeds and you've like put all this work into your eyeshadow, and then all of a sudden, there's, like, eyeliner everywhere. So I really hope that it doesn't do that on my eyes. So the first reward I got, this one, actually, I got in, probably, like, a week ago. It's the Becca Champagne Pop Highlighter. Now, I know they're, like, discontinuing or whatever this, but I personally love this one. So it has a little clear protector. Now this is the color. This is not my first one. I am almost done with my first one. I think I got like a deluxe sample at some point. I'm going to use points for that. But I love this color on my skin tone. I think it just works so well with my eyes and my hair and skin tone. And I use this as like an everyday, I'm running errands or I'm going to go on a walk through Central Park or something, and I don't want to look like I got hit by a bus. So I use this on my eyelids, and then throw a little mascara on, and I'm like, okay, I at least look like I'm a little bit put together today. But I just love that color. So 750 points for this one. I thought that was great because, I mean, it's better than 500 points for a few samples that are samples. Some deluxe, whatever. But this is a great reward. The other reward I got was the Glam Glow Gravity Mud Pink Glitter Firming Peel Off Mask. It's the Gravity Mud Firming Treatment, and it came in this Beauty Insider box. Cute. I mean, it's cute packaging. Not necessary because the Becca highlighter did not come in a box. So, I don't know if it's because it's a 1,000-point reward. So this, I mean, I'm recycling it and it's still falling. And then this is the full size, which is awesome. This is $59 on their website. They have pink, they have black, and they have purple. I think those are the only colors. Definitely correct me if I'm wrong. Pink's my favorite color. I love glitter. I love all things like that. So I'm super excited to try this, especially just see what it looks like on my face, but also see how it is as far as like firming and if it's easy to peel off and stuff like that. Because some masks are terrible to get off. So this is a great reward for 1,000 points. So with Sephora, they let you choose 3 samples to get with your order. And a lot of the times it's just like, here's this fragrance. And I'm like, okay, but I already have my scent. Like, I don't need that. And so I got my 3 samples. I got the Belief, the True Cream Aqua Bomb. And this is actually, I mean, this is a good sample. Like, this is, I mean, gonna last me like 3-4 times. So I'll actually be able to try this and see if I like it, if I want to order it, which is nice. And then I got the Cover FX, and it's Which Foundation is for You. So this, it has 3 colors, N30, N60, and N100 in the new Power Play foundation. And then it has the same colors in the Natural Finish foundation. I actually haven't tried either of these. I don't know if that's even helping. But this isn't really to try the foundation. It says, let's see, that there's 40 diverse shades. Okay, so if you're not, like, even close to any of these, good luck. But you're not going to be able to try the product. I mean, there's, like, nothing in those. So I think the only time that this would be beneficial, a sample like this, is if you want to figure out what color you are and order it. But if you live close to a Sephora, just go to Sephora, have them find the color for you, and get a sample, and then you're going to know if you like it before you're like, well, I was kind of close to N60, but it was a little dark, and then you order the wrong color, and you have to take it back anyways, and that's just a waste of product. So I would go to Sephora and get a sample and see if you like it. So that was like meh. Then I got the Lancome Full Coverage Foundation up to 12-hour color staying power. Awesome. Sounds great. It came in 4 colors, and I mean, they're definitely on the lighter shade, which I think that it said that whenever I selected them for my cart, so I knew that it was definitely going to be like around my color for this time of year. But these are actually like good size pods. So I'll actually be able to try the foundation even if it isn't in my color, and then I'll see if I like it. I definitely feel like right now I'm going to be closer to like the Buff, or a mix of the Buff and the Bisque. So we will see. But yeah, I mean, I thought that was a great sample because I can see if I like it. And if I like it, I'm going to buy it. So yeah, that's what I got from Sephora. And I am going to film my Ulta haul next. So thank you guys so much for watching my first video, and be sure to subscribe. Thanks, you guys.